BMW N54. Actually, this is the car. It's getting a whole engine replaced, and this is a twin turbo 6-cylinder. Here's the donor, the replacement engine, and this is the original engine that came on the car. Oil filter housing gasket needs to, or oil filter housing needs to move from here to here, because this one came from a 3 Series. There you go. So no cooler for the oil. These are the turbos. So I was just doing the turbo removals. This is the one in the back of the engine. Just took it out. Of course, it's much easier with the engine off, but I get to at least see how it's done, so when it's time to do it on another car while it's installed, at least I'll know what to expect. That's the heat shield. I'll keep it here just to mark the turbo in the back versus the one in the front. This is the front turbo. A little bit of a play, but no shaft axial play. Most of kept some of the bolts here, and we're going to be removing a whole bunch of other parts off of this. The oil filter, or sorry, the valve cover gasket it's in good shape, so I'm gonna take it out. Coils, well, the coils seem to be the original ones. These are, not sure what the date stamp on them is. These are 2019, are they? Am I just seeing things, or? But anyway, it's worth. It's definitely worth. It's either 2019 or 2007. Not sure. 2007 would line up with the coils for with the model of the vehicle, so 2008. And of course, yes, I will be taking the injectors. Anyway, just a short video there. New versus old. Flywheel. Maybe someone will need this. Versus, where's the flywheel? This one. This is the flywheel. These are the turbos on the new engine. These are the turbos on the old engine. Alright, I hope this helps someone, anyone out there. We'll be diagnosing why this engine failed. It stopped turning completely, just out of the blue. All right.